Okay, welcome to our part 2 of chapter 5, lesson 4. So here are the other types of clouds as I've discussed a while ago. So we are now in stratus. Stratus cloud are low-level clouds. This stays until 2 kilometers above the ground. If you try to look at the illustration, this is the level of stratus. So 2 kilometers away from the ground. Okay, and then the last cloud here is fog. Fog is a ground level cloud. Okay, so here fog, it stays in the ground. Zero meaning it's in the ground. That is the most lowest type of cloud because it stays in the ground. Here it says, as air near the ground cools, water vapor condenses into tiny droplets and form a cloud as near in the ground. So more droplets form and get larger. The fog appears thinner. Usually you can see fog whenever we have a cold season, and then you can see it in the morning. Okay, so here clouds interact with landforms, especially when it reaches the ground, like the fog. Water form large bodies of water like oceans, evaporate and condenses to a form of clouds. Tall landforms such as mountain pushes the clouds as higher into the atmosphere where it is cooler. Clouds can hold less moisture at a lower temperature. As clouds rise, they release their moisture as precipitation. So when the clouds cannot hold the water, droplets, and crystal anymore, it pours out different types of precipitation. So I will repeat types of precipitation. It could be rain, sleet, hail. Okay. So here in your book, you can classify and then write here the types of clouds that you can see here. So as you notice, I already write here. So this is fog. Stratus is here. Cumulonimbus is here. Cumulonimbus is a sign that lightning and thunderstorm is coming. Altocumulus, it's a fluffy clouds, and then cirrus is the most high cloud. Okay, let's go to question number 9. Write the steps taken from water vapor to sleep. So what are the steps? How the water vapor becomes asleep? Water vapor forms ice crystals. Ice crystal fall through the warmer air and melts near the ground. The melted drops fall through the colder air and freeze again. So, if you're trying to look at back the discussion a while ago, this is how sleet is formed. Okay, so this illustration will explain you how sleet is formed. From a freezing cold area, touches the warm air, and then touches again the cold air. Then that becomes a sleet. Question number 10. How are clouds and weather related? Precipitation falls from the clouds. And precipitation is one condition that defines the weather. So by just looking at the clouds, you will know what will be the weather today. If you see a cumulonimbus, like this one outside, for sure this will be a warning for you. Oops, I need to bring umbrella or raincoat because probably rain might pour. But if you see a cirrus cloud outside, so it's a clear sky with the cirrus clouds, so probably you would just wear thin clothes to make you feel cooler because probably it will be a sunny day when you have a cirrus cloud. But when you have a fog here down in the ground in the morning, probably it will be cold because when you see fog, that is a sign that is uh, that is one of your that is a cloud that you can say that the place is a cooler place because you have a fog. Okay, so that is our lesson for today. If you have some question, you can send in Clasera through mailbox. Thank you. Have a good day, girls.